My name is Emil Johansson. I work at Research Institutes of Sweden and I'm the leader of the innovation project SoftDREAM. We want to help the European industry use industrial robotics to do additive manufacturing and make that as easy as possible. This year, the world has faced one of the biggest crises of the last decade, COVID-19. And in the first months of this pandemic, 3D printing became absolutely vital to provide the global need of protective gear. Other manufacturing industries could not be adapted quickly enough. Now, this has really highlighted that the industry today is at a constant risk of disruption, whether from a pandemic, competitors, or simply a quickly changing market landscape. Now, we believe that using industrial robotics and 3D printing together will let the industry innovate on new products a lot faster, whether in automotive or furniture for that matter. This is why we joined forces, 3 research institutes and 3 industrial partners to create the project SoftDREAM, because we believe that robots can address many of the current limitations with additive manufacturing. First of all, robots are flexible. Doesn't matter what you put at the end of the robot, whether it's concrete extrusion, thermoplastic extrusion, or metal deposition. Secondly, robots come in every size, and you can easily integrate them into different environments. Finally, robots are affordable and readily available. In the world, there are about 2.7 million industrial robots already. But the current limitation is in the software. Right now, you may need up to 4 different pieces of software to use your industrial robot as a 3D printer, depending on the material. And this is what we wanted to address. By creating a complete toolchain from 3D model to finished part, we make it as easy as possible by providing tools like process simulation, tool path planning, robot simulation, robot code generation, and real-time monitoring solutions, which lets you check on the process in real time. We make it as easy as possible to succeed with Robotic AM, regardless of material and robotic brand. Right now, we are validating our solution with our industrial end users, and we hope to be able to bring this to market through a startup at the beginning of 2021. If you're interested in this technology, please come and check us out at our booth, and we'll be happy to talk more about this exciting new future that we want to build together. Thank you.